What's up, guys? Good morning. Got a new video for you guys today. Today is going to be an unbelievably awesome video because if you guys remember Nedal'S bike with the 131, we went over how much horsepower does the 131 have with basically a generic tune that you purchase, whether it's the Power Vision or what have you. How much horsepower did that bike have? But if you guys don't remember, go back and take a look at that video. But we'll show you guys again what basically a stock 131 has, how much horsepower, how much torque with the generic tune, and then we're going to show you numbers that someone actually tuned the bike. And then now we're over here at JD Cycle Works in Nazareth, Pennsylvania. We got the boys here. We got George, we got Nedal, we got Nedal Senior over here. Senior, right? We got Glenn, we got Dave, there's too many people. My mind's going crazy. We got Sandy, we got everybody here, and we're gonna show you because Dave actually tuned Nedal'S 131, and I know the power numbers already. All I could tell you is, holy shit. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna have a great video. Dave's gonna show you guys the power differences from what it was to what it is now on Nedal'S 131 Street Glide. Stay tuned. Good morning, good morning.
How you doing?
They just want to see Jay. That's all, just Jay. Nobody else. There you go.
We all want to see Jay.
Wasn't that good?
Sacred words inside us, filling yes words and thunderbolts. Set old dreams, new mediocre, find new ways to overdrive. You can find me out there. Look for that circling.
He hasn't had his bike in some time. Dave did his magic on it. Come on, Nedal, let's go. Yo, let's go, Nedal.
We got a surprise for you.
What's up, Dave?
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good to see you.
Likewise, buddy.
Yeah, so finally Nedal gets to take his bike home.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And we did some real nice changes with
So
that.
let's see.
So it rolled in at 136 torque and 113 horsepower.
Wow.
So between a couple little tiny tricks and some tuning.
So let me just ask you, the dyno sheet that you showed how much power?
Those, the dyno sheets showed 117 horsepower and 143 torque.
All right, so between the two dynos, it was only like 4 horsepower difference.
Yep, and again, it's
right.
That's why I always like to do a start because every dyno reads different.
Yeah, I just want to tell the viewers that between the other guy's dyno and your dyno, it's only a 4 horsepower difference, so not much.
Yep. So
look at that power! Holy cow!
And he has a little. I noticed a lot more shakiness. The tires aren't round anymore. You can on a dyno, you can actually see the bike moving in the softer shocks.
After you're done with them, now they're oval.
That's right.
So what do we need? New tires now?
No, we
You need a new balance. You need the balance.
no. There's nothing we can do. But it's just
Too much power in the bike.
This is part of how sensitive my machine
They're
is.
egg-shaped now.
And even though I have the smoothing set on 5, it still shows some serratic shakiness.
So how much power you got now?
Oh, so anyway, we went up to 160 foot-pounds of torque,
Holy
156 horse. But look at this. It's at 160 foot-pounds of torque at 3,700.
Wow.
It stays there.
Stays there. Holy
Stays there.
cow.
Carries.
Holy
This thing's a
cow.
monster.
Does it roll the ground?
Chromeworks exhaust. Our
Wow.
louvered baffles we love.
Amazing.
You know, it's just
It's a
an
beast.
animal.
It's an animal.
And all the power is where you live.
All the way, almost 6,200
Yep. And here's the big
RPM.
thing. A lot of people talk about horsepower builds. They want horsepower, but with that you need a different exhaust, and your power's gonna be up at 7,000 RPMs.
Wow.
I like to build bikes that give you power where you ride. You know, I'd much rather give you 160 foot-pounds of torque and 150 horsepower than 170 horsepower and 130 torque. It's going to be much more enjoyable.
Rideability.
That's
You know,
crazy.
so that's also I like to build them with lower compression, more reliable, less cam
Right.
lift, helps them last longer.
And you already have 100. Let me see.
140
You already
foot-pounds of
have
torque.
140 at
20.
2,000 RPM.
At idle.
25.
That's
Yeah.
honestly, it's all basically he's got 100, almost 100, almost 140 foot-pounds of torque at 2,000 RPM. That's ridiculous.
It comes out of the
He's
gate.
at 140.
Holy cow!
How do you beat that?
The test is you riding it now, John. All right? That's a real test.
Can I?
You're going to be the first one to ride it.
some rubber off the back?
No big clutches, no burnouts. I'm just gonna ride it. All
He's gonna
right.
see a rolling burnout.
Yeah, come on, at least one. Dave's here to put a new clutch in. Come on.
I've been losing sleep for weeks waiting.
We're at a good place. We're at a a good place. We could put a fresh clutch in.
I might lose a belt right off the bat.
That's right. That's right. Dave's got extra belts, extra clutches. Don't worry about it.
I'm not gonna wait.
All right, so yeah, let's go show us the monster.
Okay.
Awesome. That is crazy. Wow, put that on your wall in the
Yeah,
bedroom.
that's what I'm gonna tattoo it on my back.
There you go. Holy cow.
There you
I had another bike set up on the dyno this
Oh,
morning.
gotcha, okay.
For tuning, so I couldn't have it on there.
Gotcha.
But
Amazing.
yes.
All right, well let's
Sweet.
take it for a little rip.
I'll get the bag done first.
Yeah.
That's my slow down. Christmas in July.
Obviously, Dave's super busy. A lot of stuff going on. Oh, that's right. Your bike is here. That's right. Here. So Glenn's having just a bike looked over before we go to Sturgis. Chromeworks exhaust, louvered baffles, same setup that's on my bike. wild. Wicked.
How is it, John?
Do you have to ask him?
Holy fuck.
Is it different than the first time you rode it?
Holy shit. Faster than my bike.
Yeah.
It is crazy.
Faster than my Royal
Dude,
Enfield?
so fast. Look, the mirror got loose.
They got a good match on that.
It is a good match, right?
Yeah, I said the dealer, the dyno sheet, he says, I want the bike back.
Absolute insanity. Absolute insane. Over here, just first gear, just rolled it on, not even dumping the clutch. And it just smokes the tire. It is absolutely insane. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This bike is crazy fast. Dave did a fantastic job. Sounds awesome. How does it sound going by? Crazy, right?
It's the sound we all dream about, right?
Got the Chromeworks 2x2, black chrome.
Also, I want to talk about Chromeworks and their customer service. They send me out a new heat shield and a new muffler right away.
Oh, because it was blued a little bit, right. Same thing happened to me. So what happens is what Nedal'S talking about, if you see this a little bit of bluing, a lot of times that happens on a dyno because you got to obviously high RPM runs, a lot of them builds up heat, and sometimes it discolors. And Nedal'S said the customer service, Chromeworks it's top notch, the best. You just explain to them basically what the problem is. Did you send a picture or something?
Yeah, no questions asked.
No questions asked. They sent them a new, the way they said, your new muffler, new heat shield.
New muffler and a new heat shield.
Yeah, so Chromeworks, not only a fantastic product, but some of the best customer service that you could possibly get. And that black chrome is killer on this bike.
The cam is the same.
Exhaust system.
How's the brakes?
But
Good.
it's
Yeah.
given. He has the adjustment.
Well, this one you go.
You're honestly, you're gonna be scared at the beginning.
Fucking bike right now and ride that fucking thing.
I'll ride him right now.
I want to see you go up and down with it. Come on.
Change like those grass you see on the wall.
Fucking, it's your bike. It's brand new, man. You gotta be jonesing to get on this.
I've waited all day. I gotta find drugs right now. I'm fucking
Glenn, take it for a ride.
No, let him take it for a ride.
Come on.
I want him to ride.
I want to know what you think.
I can see it. No, you ride that bike right now. It's your bike.
Go
ahead, Nedal'S.
Yelling at people for doing this, telling me to
Get on that thing. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Be careful, all right?
He's got a new name then, the father.
He's the godfather.
Take it for a ride. Take it for a ride.
He's the father, we're the son. And
It's so loud. Look at his smile. Look at
no, I just want to say the way Dave tunes the bike, it's like it's so smooth.
It's perfect. The throttle.
Really, and it's not really. I thought I was going to be intimidated, but it really is a smooth.
But when you
it's
get
just
on
like-
it,
yeah.
when you get on it, it goes, man.
I was scared, but once I got on
You
it, the
haven't
way it
kicked-
shifts,
yeah.
it's
Very linear, very
perfect.
predictable.
Yes, exactly predictable. That's the key.
But crazy power.
I
Right?
always
love
get
it.
scared
Yeah.
with
I
these
love it.
goddamn
Worth the
kickstands.
wait. Worth
Yeah.
the
They
wait.
always look like
Absolutely.
they're falling back, right?
Yeah. I really don't understand.
Geometry doesn't.
All right, guys, as you've seen, came in with 113 horsepower, left with 156 horsepower, and 160 foot-pounds of torque. And all Nedal'S did to this 131 was the cam change, which is a TTS 250, and dynoed at JD Cycle Works by none other than Dyno Dave, another masterpiece that he just did on this street glide. Absolutely amazing, guys. Links will be down below in the description if you guys want to call up Dave and get scheduled for any work or a custom dyno tune. But this just goes to show you with this setup and the Chromeworks exhaust, it is absolutely amazing. The sound, the power, it's just phenomenal. So see you guys on the next one. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll try to answer them. I think the neighbors called the cops. How you doing?
All right.
How are you?
You guys causing trouble?
No, no trouble, no trouble.
Some old lady called.
Oh,
We're making a little YouTube video.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah.
Did anybody
We're sorry.
get static or anything?
no, no.
Okay.
I'll have to talk to Terry and
Having them up
apologize.
or something?
That's it.
Yeah.
I figured.
Yeah, sorry about
I
that.
mean, who
Yeah,
complains-
apologize.
Who complains that live near a motorcycle?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
Right. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thanks for your service too.
Have a good day.
Appreciate you, man.
Thanks.
All right,
Stay
thanks.
cool.
Thanks.
Super cool officers. And yeah, like they said, why would you live next to a motorcycle repair shop? But we always appreciate their service. We support the police 100%. But we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.